Hey guys, it is time for a review of the SD Nightingale from MC model. This again was brought to you by our Toys Club. You can check out their eBay page in the description below. There's a link in there. But let's get on to review of this very big, well, in comparison to other SDs, kit. Overall, I actually did somewhat enjoy this kit. It being a third-party kit, it actually didn't really have any major issues that you wouldn't, you didn't expect. It actually came together very well overall for being an SD kit. It actually has some articulation in the arms, wrist swivel. You got an arm joint right there. So and you got a wrist swivel, and actually it's a wrist bend right there. So really nice. It came with really nice decals you can get for it. It had several hands. This actually hand is specific for this gun, which is really cool. But the head does not move. There is no waist swivel. There is a foot swivel right here. And there's a foot tilt. And then the individual toe right here moves. Okay. I think these work with as well. Yes, the toes move. So that's cool. That's definitely cool. You get actual articulation of the legs, and the legs have the swivel right here, ball joint swivel right here, just a regular swivel right here. So, and then a rocking leg. So then there's the skirt connects right there. Nothing really on there. These do not move. The shoulders kind of twist around, but they're very, very tight. So there's actually an LED in there, right there. It actually would turn it on with this little twist right here, but when I was installing the LED, it did not work. So that's actually one little complaint I guess I would have there. But overall, the kit this has some really nice detail for an SD kit. All the little bits and everything that you can do. So, like the feet have really nice detailing on them that I just brought out with some permanent marker right here, and then inside of here has really cool detailing that I used, and then the thrusters are actually separate pieces. These gold pieces that I painted gold. These are actually separate pieces from the regular thrusters. So the thrusters are two different pieces, which is a nice touch. Unlike these, which is just completely just one piece. So then they have the little fin funnels, which actually all separate. They just lock in there, which is really cool. One or two of them did not want to stay, so I had to glue them in. But other than that, it's very cool. They actually just come with little clear tubes that you can actually mount these onto the stand that it comes with. Which is the normal SD stand, just the two prongs with the peg up in the middle, so you can lay it on there. But it works. It works well. The little tubes and everything can connect to the funnels and make sure it looks like they're flying around and everything like that, which is really nicely done and cool addition to the actual kit itself. So. This kit actually had a lot of extra, a lot of parts into it, and not your average SD kit. For size comparison, here he is next to the normal Unicorn SD. About the same height, is just but the overall bulk of the kit is a lot greater. I would say he's about 2 or 3 SDs combined, but it's still very nicely done. A lot of info, a lot of extra pieces on him and everything like that. Gives him a lot of extra detailing, and makes it worth the extra, so $15 or so that you would be paying to pick this guy up, which I definitely actually recommend picking him. He's very cool little kit. I like him a lot. Well, not a lot, but I do like him. I do not regret my purchase at all, and I like customizing and everything. So, and again, don't forget to check out our Toys Club, link in the description below, to get this kit and others. So, until next time, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already yet. Check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/gunplaygamer. You can there's a lot of extra really cool perks in there if you subscribe to me on Patreon at various different subscriber levels. One of them is basically you pick the kit, I actually make you a kit, and then I send it off to you. Customize it all, whatever colors you like and whatnot. So that's about it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the review. So until next time, keep building and keep playing.